John 17 verse 21, that they all may be one, even as you, Father, are in me, and I in you, that they also may be one in us, in order that the world may believe that you did send me. Remember that in the context of the New Testament, the word world refers to man-made system outside the will and order of God. A God-ordained system was given in the Old Testament to function as a specific role until its fulfillment came. Thereafter, there was no use for it. When anyone continue with that specific system, it is now worldly because it has no more use or purpose for God. God has no use for it anymore. We think here of the tabernacle with its rituals in the Old Testament, fulfilled in Jesus' sacrifice on Golgotha's Calvary Hill, with Jesus as the perfect lamb slain for the whole world. How will the people in the world and its systems believe? Only when the Father revealed the Son and the Son revealed the Father in every heart.